Elliot. Hey, buddy. What you doing? Hi. Hello, sweetheart. Hi. Where you going? You're Tucker? And see where his head is sored up. All those are sores. Pulling his hair out. And his face. Right. Oh, sorry. I disturbed you. This is kind of what he'll do. And this goes on episodes during the day and for hours at the time of night. Elliot. Elliot. Hey, buddy. It's okay. Hello. Hi. You can see above his eye. So in order not to hurt himself, we have to hold him down or hold him swaddled in our arms so he doesn't do that to himself. But it comes and goes. He scratches a lot. Mind his head aloft. Hey, buddy. You can kind of see his hands.